Here's what's nice about programs in general is residual value is almost dollar for dollar. What you're investing in the program, you tend to get back out at resale. It's very, very almost at par for the money you're putting in. So the peace of mind and everything else is just, it's very, very relevant.
We track about 2,500 transactions a year. And when I say in a granular way, the equipment on the airplane, the programs on the airplane, the hours on the airplane, the condition of the airplane, the location of the airplane, and we assign values to all of that. So I think we have a library of transactions that's unparalleled in the world. 10 years ago, if you were on a brand name program versus a third party, the brand name program carried more weight. That's changed. Now, if there's apples to apples coverage, they're worth exactly the same. If it's a Rolls-Royce versus JSSI and they're covering the exact same things, etc., we value them the same way.
No question, 100% coverage on JSSI and a similar coverage. There's no difference in value.
Aircraft values in the marketplace are clearly on par, whether they're a JSSI or a manufacturer program. JSSI is not a new organization, right? JSSI is a well-known, growing, well-reputable, highly experienced organization that delivers these services. It's not a startup. We've had the good fortune of, working with you guys, like you said, for coming up on 30 years, I guess, right? And you guys have proved your capabilities, and I believe proved to the marketplace. So again, whether it's a manufacturer program or a JSSI program, the fact that it's on a program is going to wind up delivering the residual value that the owners are looking for.
We're not discounting because it's not Pratt & Whitney or it's not Honeywell or it's not Rolls-Royce. We're looking at the coverage, and it's, I hate to say it, but the world can be reduced to math to us. In an environment that is emotional, buying and selling airplanes, you live in a very emotional world. It's amazing how much we rely on math. If you're willing to do the work, the answer's there.
There's been hundreds, if not thousands, of transactions, that have participated in that JSSI coverage, and to my knowledge, always successfully. So to us, JSSI or manufacturers, as long as there's a program, it is equal residual value.